Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will talk about the crash 500 and the boom 600. I've given these two signals to the guys. I give one to two to the VIPs and one to the free guys. The crash 500 is been given to the free guys and the VIP. And you can see we are in profits already. You can see that long spike that happened. You can see that massive spike that happened right there from our entry. So we have TP1 and 2 to smash. We have the first TP, which will happen very soon. If you have a massive spike like this one, it's going to spike, hit that level very soon. And we have the second target down here. But for boom 900 is looking really messy, really crazy right now. Look at that. We started buying it somewhere around this price. Somewhere around this price. This is the price we started buying it from. You can see what happened. Market started dropping and dropping. So I don't know if it's gonna start buying from there. You see that green, this stuff I drop here, this is the level I expect market to start buying from. All right, so that's why you see my SL is quite below that level. Okay, so let me see. It's not really looking good for me unless the 30-minute will close bullish. If the 30-minute closes, if it closes bullish, then it's likely gonna buy. If it closes bullish, it's likely going to buy. But right now, it's looking really nasty. Then let me give you guys reasons for this trade. All right, for the crash, let's start with the crash 500. Crash 500, we missed that first entry. I was actually expecting the market to start it. I wanted to sell it from here, but even see when the 15 minutes crashed, that beautiful crash, and close, I would have started selling it from that price, this price here. But we missed that first price, and here is not too bad either. All right, so my reason for this trade. If you watch my videos, all my videos, you should know how to trade boom and crash by now, because I'm in the business of catching spikes. Yeah, if you want to know how to catch spikes successfully, because catching of spikes can be very profitable. It's amazing. Sometimes I could just open a few positions, and if you know it, it spikes instantly. Once it spikes, I'm in deep profits, in massive profits. Sometimes I could just open and see $300. Once you open, it spikes and you get your $300 instantly. All right, some days I make $1,000 with just catching spikes. So to catch spikes is very profitable. So if you want to learn how to do this, or you're looking for a platform that catches spikes and spikes alone, not trading against the spikes, you are in the right place right now. Watch my videos, drop some good comments, like, and just check the free the description box to join the free Telegram channel, and chat me up if you want to learn how to do this stuff, or you want to be getting spikes signals every day. All right, my reason for this trade. Now we have to go down to, let's check the weekly. You can see on the weekly, don't mind those lines I have there. Let me delete them. Let me leave that one. All right, so you can see on the weekly we have a downtrend. This is a downtrend, my bro. This is a downtrend, my bro. You can see that, right? That's a downtrend. So when it's in a downtrend, what do? You wait for a pullback and you start selling it from a resistance. Look for key levels and start selling them from there. That's what it means. But you don't just sell them. You need to look for a perfect entry for them. Look for entries that once you jump in, it goes right into profits. So on the weekly, you can see we are in a strong downtrend. So we waited patiently for the pullback, and it has happened. There's another thing I'm looking at, which is a top secret. But don't worry, if you join the academy, you know what I just saw right there, which is the reason I gave this call, really. All right, so, and you can look at that again. We have the key level right here. We have a key level right there. This is a zone where market has been selling and buying from, all right, reversing around this price. So that's a level on the chart that is very strong, and it's on a higher time frame. It's on a higher time frame. All right, so looking at that, we know that market will be doing what? Will be selling. Now again, you can see market took out this level and into this in imbalance right there, this level right there, and it started selling from that price. So this is a sign that market will be going down, probably back to this level again. Crash 500 might be going down back to this level. So you can see it makes the work easy for us now. So if you join the academy now, or you join the VIP now, you'll be making consistent profit from Crash 500. Why? Because we'll be selling Crash 500 for the next few days or weeks. Yeah, that's what it means. So we've gotten this direction, the market direction, it's bearish and it's going to be selling over and over. So that's what it means. So we'll be making good consistent profits from, we'll be milking Crash 500 now. So you can see that. Now what do? Go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see we want to be looking for a key level why market started spiking. Need to be looking for a key level why market started spiking, right? Nice. So we've gotten that price, which is where market has been reversing. You can see that level. You can see this level. You can see this level about 3 places right there. You can see this one here again. This level, all this, it's looking nasty, but market has been respecting those levels. So you can see, bro, it's easy now to know where it's actually going. So why did the market start selling from that price? It's because of this key level, this zone right there. You can see market just tap into that zone and a massive drop. All right. So now we've gotten to more than 3 reasons now why we should sell and keep selling Crash 500. Now let's look at this. We have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This was the last lower high. The market started creating the structures into this level, but it's going back to this last level. So coming up to this point, took out liquidity around this level, and this would be the drop. All right, this would be the drop. Okay, I think we just matched our TP1. So this will be the drop right there. Do you understand? This will be the drop. So just took out liquidity into the fair value gap we have there and the drop. So you can see we have many reasons why we should sell Crash 500. So you cannot just wake up, see one level, maybe market just get to a certain level, you start selling. If you sell and you make profits, you're just lucky. So you can see markets gives us opportunity every day, but the thing is we get distracted a lot of times. We get psychology kicks in and makes us we start feeling like we are not good at trading, but we are really, really good. It's just we get distracted, family issues, financial, and so many issues like that, challenges like that, and the psychology gets messed up. Probably market betrayed you. Something you've been seeing, something that's been working 100 times, decided not to work on that very day, and that day you probably risked really big. So those are things we suffer from the market. All right, so we've gotten those reasons. Now we have to go down to the lower time frame to find an entry. On the lower time frame, you need to understand the structure as well. Even on the 4 hours time frame, you can tell that this is a downtrend. If I switch to line chart, you will see that this is a clear downtrend. This is a clear downtrend. All right, so look at this. Let me do this. Moving average period is 1 simple exponential linear weighted. I think linear weighted. We click on, let's use something visible. Let's use blue. Okay, blue will be shown on the chart, and click done. Now, so what this does is it gives you, I think it's not giving us exactly what I'm looking for. Let me check. Let me use is this typical price? Typical price. Okay. Let's use simple. Done. Still not giving us what we really want. So what I'm trying to do now is for us to know the actual trend. You can see here we having, you can remember the settings, lower low, lower high. You can see what the indicator is doing. see what the indicator is doing. When I get the setting, maybe I'll share it in the next video. All right, so that makes the work very easy for us. Let me delete that. It's nasty. I don't like having a lot of stuff on my chart. So you can see it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend, guys. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And market still playing around. Took out liquidity now. It's dropping, bro. It's dropping. So we just smashed TP1, about to smash TP2. So now we have so many reasons from the weekly. We do top-down analysis. So if you want to learn how to do the top-down analysis, check the description to join the academy. All right. You see, we do top-down analysis and we make sure that every time frame aligns with the other. We don't just take trades like that, bro. Do you understand? So now, after doing this, what else do? We have to go down to a very lower time frame, to see why we should take a trade. Why we should take a trade. Do you understand? So, looking at this, you have this. You can see that's clean, which is where the market started selling from. So seeing market going to that point, so what do? You go down to your 15 minutes time frame. You can see that this is an evening star. This is an evening star candlestick pattern, that entry, which gave us this entry right there. And we are soaked in profit, just smashed first TP. All right, just smash our first TP, second TP down here. You can see as simple as that. Now let's take a look at the boom 600. Guys, please smash the like button, okay? If you're actually learning something from this, drop some good comments and like this video, share it with friends. All right, so on the boom 900, why did I buy boom 900? Before, I actually expected boom 900 to come inside. Here you can see the green boxes I dropped below, like this one here. I actually wanted it to come down to this point. Why? Because it just did a breakout. It will want to come inside before the next push. You want to do a pullback before the next push. But I got tricked. I thought it started buying already, and so I gave the call. I don't know, it might start buying from there. I can't really tell, but let's see my reason for this trade. Let me delete these guys out first. All right. So even on the weekly, let's see on the weekly. Even on the weekly, you can see that we just broke this level. That level right there, that strong level right there on the weekly. All right, so, and you can see again that we are coming to this level on the weekly. So now, what should we do? Let's go down to the higher time frame. And sorry, market started moving from this level. You can see this candlestick started moving from this level, which is a key level, started moving from this key level, which on the weekly key level, from this level, and started buying from there. That shows that market is actually in the going upward, right? So we go down to our daily. So our daily, we see the previous day, yesterday candlestick closed bullish. Yesterday candlestick closed bullish and above the previous day candle. Previous day candle. Structure, previous day structure rather, okay? So that's what we have there on the boom 900 on the daily, a breakout above this level. So I actually thought we've had a retest around this price. That's why I gave the call. But it's looking really crazy. We might lose this trade, I don't know. But let's hope it doesn't happen. Let's just hope it will pull back to this point. So after seeing that, earlier when I woke up, I actually expected market to get into this point or inside this level. That was my expectation. So you can see I actually went against my plan, my trading plan, which is a very bad thing. I just broke my rules, and what are my rules? And you see what I'm seeing, what I'm getting. So now, after doing that, 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, I actually thought markets would start buying from that line of zone right there. All right, and this one closed bullish, though with a rejection. The previous one rejected, this one rejected. I think that's why this market is actually coming down. It might kiss our SL from what I'm seeing. But if it spikes and give us good profits, that will be awesome, guys. That will be awesome. All right, that will be awesome. So yeah, I'm just hoping we to start buying. But I got trade on the lower time frame, on the 30 minutes time frame. You can see how strong the 30 minutes time frame. I was actually looking at something like this. We're actually looking at something like this. All right. So you can see around this price, this trend line here. I was here. I wanted to start buying this somewhere here. Then this guy spiked and closed really strong. Oh, we just had a spike. That means we are likely going to win this. So this guy, this green candlestick spiked. This would have been our entry. The green candlestick spiked and closed really strong, bullish, right there. So I was like, okay, I think this guy would respect this trend line and start buying. So I decided to give the call around this price. I think somewhere below. I gave them a bit late, so it was somewhere below here, and you can see it's still coming, still coming. So let's just hope this one goes up and give us good profits. So right now, what it means is that we are in profits overall because crash 500 has just smashed our TP1, and boom 600 just spiked, and that means we are in profit, at least on break even. So that is it, guys. You can see there's no hidden stuff. Like we don't scam here. We look at the markets, we trade the live market price action, not indicators. All right, we trade the price action, we find entries and catch multiple spikes. All right, so check the previous video to learn more. All right, and make sure you subscribe. Click on the post notification bell so that whenever we drop a video, you watch, learn, and make money for yourself. That'll be all for now, guys. Check the description to join the free Telegram channel. It's very important. That'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Trade safe out there.